Welcome to this video. I'll be solving a positive dominant. The question reads, an array is positive if it contains strictly more unique positive values and unique negative values. Write a function returns true if an array is positive dominant and false otherwise. The key is unique values. So in this one, I can see there's 4 ones, which are positive, and 2 negatives. And then points at, you have to make sure you can see there's an array, and then true or false. First, I'm going to have an account for the positive and negative. And for these unique values, I'm going to make an array list. I'm just going to add the values in. One for the positive ones, one for the negative one. And if it doesn't contain the element in the array list, then it will use this counter. And it'll say how many unique values there are, adding it to the count. I'll make one for the positive. I'm going to do the same thing. Just nothing. We're going to do the same thing. We have all set up. We have to set up our for. And use the for each again. Now it runs. Has to check if it's a positive number or negative number first before it can add it to the array list. So if the I is 0. Okay, so now it's greater than this number. It's going to then check if the number is unique. If the positive does not contain the number, then it'll add it into the account. If this is true, then we'll increment the account. And then last but not least, so add this element to the array list. Now this looks good. We're gonna do something similar here. And that if it's less than 0, we're gonna do the same part, just with the negative. Most we're going to return if positive greater than negative. But now we're going to run the code to add the import statement, which is using array list, and add a space as before. So I added a space. Now we're going to submit the code.